Welcome to RRCG Transport. We operate air-conditioned buses sa mga intercity at provincial routes ng Metro Manila, Eastern Rizal, at Batangas Province. Tumatahak ang aming mga bus sa mga lansangan ng University Belt at EDSA. Ang kaligtasan mo ang aming first priority. We invest in safety features para maging matiwasay ang iyong paglalakbay. Seatbelts, fire extinguishers, emergency exit, emergency door control valve, at CCTV cameras for your security. Maging feel at home sa bawat paglalakbay. RRCG pampers you with every trip. Fully air-conditioned buses, comfortable seats, free luggage space, at priority seats para sa mga buntis at persons with disability. Number 1 din ang serbisyong matatanggap mo. We have a set of bus crews with good and qualified credentials. Nakahanda kaming tumulong sa bawat pangangailangan mo. Dito sa RRCG, garantisadong maaaliw ka sa bawat sakay. We have a variety of TV programs that are sure to make your trip entertaining and fun. At dahil sa aming free Wi-Fi, stay connected with your friends and colleagues sa iba't ibang networking sites. Make your journey safe and entertaining only here at RRCG Transport. RRCG Bus Company. Tara, biyahe tayo! Enjoy your trip.